So I recently had a Facebook ad running for my modern black metal volume 1 presets, which are presets made to help you write modern black metal style music quickly and effectively. Now, you know what they're not made for? Impressing your local cult council. On this Facebook ad, a certain 50-plus-year-old true cult gatekeeper decided to write a hefty comment that more or less boils down to me rooting black metal. I'm not going to tell you who this guy is, but just know he is very well known. He's been making music for over 30 years in the genre, and he is part of a band that I am a fan of and have listened to a lot. Now, getting that comment, obviously disappointing, but to be completely honest with you, not surprising, and I was only surprised that it didn't happen sooner. Now, I'll break down this true cult mindset hypocrisy for you in a second, but I want to digress on something. When it comes down to doing what I do, I don't do it to impress a panel of true cult, corpse-painted assholes who want to try and tell me or tell you what is and isn't real or true black metal. When it comes down to it, I make this for you. Do you have a full-time job and a family with only a few hours a week or only the weekend to get your ideas out? Are you a younger kid in your 20s squeezing his laptop between the closet and a mattress on the floor? Are you a broke student that has only a small amount of time on Sunday after getting all of your homework done to do anything musical? Or are you somebody who just does not have a lot of expendable income because of how shit everything is in 2025? All of those examples, and anybody in general, that's who I'm showing up for on this channel. That's who I'm making resources for. Because you're going to be the ones that keep moving music forward. You are going to be the future of creating music. And because of that, you deserve to have tools that you can afford or training resources that you can afford in order to bring your visions to life. Now, I mentioned I would break down this true cult hypocrisy mindset down, so let me go ahead and do that. I call it the true cult hypocrisy. And it really pisses me off, and here's why. The true cultists want to say that I'm the enemy. I'm the dickbag, because I'm creating presets with digital amp simulators that help people write music. Or I'm the asshole because I want to help people mix their music or create music that doesn't sound like absolute dog shit. Well, that's absolutely fascinating, because isn't the true cult mindset all about individualism and doing your own thing? Isn't that what black metal, isn't that what it came from? You know, black metal is about going against the grain. Black metal is about doing what you want to do. Black metal, it's anti-conformist, anti-authority, anti-everything. Right up until you do something that they don't like. Suddenly, there's a Soviet-level conformity checklist that we didn't know that we all had to abide by. Oh, are you using amp simulators and presets? Fake. Oh, you're using programmed drums? Not real. Oh, you're promoting your music online? Oh, now you're clout chasing. Are you selling your music or trying to make a living by your music? Oh, capitalist heresy. Oh, do you want your music to actually sound good so people can enjoy listening to it? Garbage. You see this bullshit? It's not about preserving the essence of true black metal at all. It's about gatekeeping, ego, control. Huh, that sounds awfully conformist, doesn't it? And isn't it ironic that that is the exact opposite of how the genre was supposedly formed? Here's the thing, guys. I have spent over half of my life dedicating myself to doing this. I have gone through the painful trial and error. I have wasted tons of money. I have wasted a lot of my time going down rabbit holes that ultimately didn't even matter. I have spent years being frustrated, questioning my own sanity. So if I can take what I've learned through my trials and frustrations and wasted money and hand it to you so that you don't have to go through the same hell, why wouldn't I? If I can create a preset or a series of presets or a piece of training material that helps you get your ideas and your vision out, why wouldn't I? That is the definition of winning, and I don't need the validation or the approval of the scene. Instead, what I need from you is for you to open your DAW, grab a preset that I created, or follow a piece of training material that I created, and be excited to work on the music that you want to write. Now, what in the hell is wrong with that? And by the way, not just presets, there's training on my website right now that shows you the exact process on how to create your own guitar tones. I'm not gatekeeping anything. I'm not hiding anything. There are no secrets. The information's there if you want it. If you're not interested in doing that, there are the presets so you can start writing music right now today. How am I the bad guy in this situation? Honestly. You know, it's even more interesting. All these true cultist elitists is pissing moan about what I'm doing. Meanwhile, if I go on my website right now, and you can do this as well, go to any one of my products and look at the reviews. It's literally 5 stars per pages. All real people, real musicians saying the same things. Wow, man. Awesome material. Thank you so much for helping me. Wow, man. These presets are fantastic. They do exactly what I wanted them to do. You mean to tell me helping other people write their own music makes me a piece of shit? Because it doesn't fall into your anti-conformist checklist of what real black metal is? Give me a fucking break. I'd rather go by what real people are saying, not fucking cult councils. And just as an aside, by the way, I have created presets for genres of music that I personally don't really listen to. I made presets just recently called Ultra Low. They're for gent and deathcore. For those really low-tuned guitars, like in drop G and lower. I don't play that kind of music. I'm not really interested in it. But you know what I did? I went, this would really help people. So what did I do? I spent days listening to bands in the genre, analyzing the guitar tones, and creating something that people that want to write that kind of music can use to write that kind of music. As of the making of this video, I am making a preset pack right now for Nameless Sweet X in it's like gent, deathcore, or slam. Again, not really genres of music that I listen to, but you know what? I have the skills and I want to help people make music. Holy fuck, what a piece of shit I am, right? So to all of you fucking elitists foaming at the mouth, shaming people who want to make music in the style that they want to fucking make it, here's my message to you. Grow up, go fuck yourself. And here's a challenge actually for you. Instead of being a taint tickler, why not help people? Why not help them? Why not see how you could improve their writing process, improve their guitar tones, and help people write black metal that they want to write? Why not share your passion for the music that you love so much and want to share with others? Why not help them? Why not help them also get passionate about the music that you love? Instead of shaming them and cutting them down. Why not share your passion in a positive way instead of being an insufferable fucking asshole that nobody fucking likes? You really should try it sometime because it's exceptionally rewarding to see the light in the eyes of somebody that you helped get their ideas out, to see their excitement grow, to see their passion start to burn. Honestly, try it sometime. You're going to find just how rewarding it actually feels. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I had to get this out and say it. This particular mindset just drives me up the fucking wall. And from here on out, we're going to get back to the regular content. I got some cool stuff coming from ML Sound Lab and Audiority coming up soon. So watch out for those videos. That'll be soon. Anyways, that's the end of this little rant video, whatever you want to call it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one.